class. Are we fine? Is this visible to you? Online children, is this visible? Okay, so let's take this problem, and I'm just sitting a little bit aside so that I don't block the screen. So let's take this problem. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. That means let's start writing what are the given things, problems, given data in this problem. So let's say what is given. First of all, it's given that number one, triangle ABC is isosceles. This is number one. And if ABC is isosceles, that means AB as an arm is equal to AC. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
B and CF are altitudes, right? So it's given triangle, they are altitudes, so I can write triangle BFC. Angle BFC should be equal to angle BEC, and all these things should be 90 degrees. This is already given. Now what do we have to prove? To prove that the altitudes are equal, which means we need to prove that BE is equal to CF. Okay, now BE is equal to CF. Now when this sort of a problem comes up, first try to analyze when B equal to CF. One is, this is your BE and this is your CF. All we can do is use the techniques of isosceles triangle. So if you take this triangle, let's say this triangle, and you take on the same base two triangles, are you getting it? So angle B, since it is isosceles, should be equal to angle C of the other one.
Okay.
This is 90, this is 90, and one side is common. So by AAS corollary criteria, we will be able to prove it. So shall we do it? How we are supposed to do it? Okay. So let's do it then. Okay. Let's segregate the two triangles. So let's write our proof statement. Proof. Consider. Be very careful with the naming. Look how I am naming. One base angle followed by 90 degree followed by C, BFC. Other triangle is what, beta? You are thinking the other triangle is BEC. No. BEC as a triangle can never be superimposed on BFC. CEB as a triangle can be superimposed. What I'm trying to say, that ye triangle agar hum lenge na, if you take this triangle and you flip it, then only it can superimpose on the other one. Is that clear? So when you are writing for the other triangle, be very careful what you are writing. So if I've taken BFC out here, and this naming is very important, I will take C because C will coincide with B, E will coincide with F, and then B will coincide with C. Once this is done, half of the problem is solved. If still anybody has a doubt, I will still draw it. Okay, let's see. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, हम ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं ना. ये हमारा, this is one triangle, right? Let me name this triangle. I'll not name it. I'll not name it. Deliberately, I'm not naming it. So this is a 90 degree. So this is what? This is F, B, and C. Agreed. Now say suppose I clone this triangle, okay? And I clone this. This is here. This doesn't fit here. इसको अगर हम रिवर्स करेंगे ना उल्टा तरह से, तब जाके ये उस पे fit होगा. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
So the second triangle which we will clone out from here, let's say if you clone this triangle, sorry.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो ना.
Sir, CEB or BEC different can.
I'm not saying that. सुनो पहले. If you are taking BFC, shall we name BFC? This is B, this is F, this is C. Do you agree? B as an angle is equal to which angle? C. If you try to now write this, इसको अगर मैं ये लिखता BEC, गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. When you write the triangles, you write it in such a manner that one triangle should be superimposed on the other. नहीं तो congruent कहाँ से होगा? BEC, can you cut? Just try to look at the picture on BEC. BEC को देखो तो. Just look at BEC. I will mark that BEC for you if you have any issue. This is BEC. Do you agree?
Yes.
इसको cut out कर लो mind में. Just cut it out. Can you put it in such a way that you can keep B common and put E coincide with F? No, na. But we can do one thing. If we flip it, that is, we bring C towards B and we bring E on F, then the two triangles will superimpose. अभी समझ में आ रहा है? वो चीज ख्याल रख के आपको करना पड़ेगा. Whenever you are doing congruent triangles, you have to make sure that now look how I'm writing. This is BFC. I'm writing the other triangle as CEB. This is very much possible. Now these two coincide on each other. Is it getting clear? If not, I'll explain again. जबरदस्ती मत बोलो. समझ में आया? अब देखो, अब आप कंपेयर करो दोनों में. Don't now what we will compare? We will say angle E is equal to angle F. What is the reason? Each angle is 90 degree. Do you agree? Angle B is equal to, no, angle E, no, sorry, I've written it in wrong order. So it should be written in this way. Sorry. We should write it as angle F equal to angle E. Then I write angle B equal to angle C. What is this? Base angles. Base angles of isosceles triangle. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
And then what do I write? I write BC is equal to CB. This is common. Therefore, now we can straight away say that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Triangle BFC is congruent to triangle CEB by angle side AAS. Therefore, you can easily write that you have to prove what? Prove that
BE equal to CF. So we all be
so BE is equal to CF, but BEC, one minute, so BE equal to CF, yes. BE is this portion, CF is this portion. So BE is equal to CF, and this is by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Has everyone understood this problem? Just for 1-2 days, maybe I'll take the class in this format because I'm not in a position, I should not stand. ज़्यादा खड़ा हो गया हूँ. Should not stand. अच्छा, a small change. And since all of you have joined, we had initially said that on Sunday, we would be having our class something at 1900 hours. That is too late. So I need a cooperation. Sunday, we will have, anyway, we are doing a question paper on atoms and molecules. We'll take it as an online. Nobody needs to come to even this class. We will do it at 1500 afternoon. You also will get free by 1400. Otherwise, 1900 will be too late for me. I don't know what all medications and other thing will be there. Is this fine? All of you, just one class. The class of Sunday. It's anyways a paper solving class only, children. We will be solving a paper of atoms and molecules. Is it fine? 3 o'clock. ऐसे भी घर में बैठ के टीवी देखोगे, 1 घंटा एक पेपर सॉल्व कर लो, उसके बाद फ्री हो गए. And there is no visit on Monday. ठीक है? Shall we take the next problem? Everyone understood this? So we'll do typically these type of problems. So let's take the next problem. And next problem, you give a try for 1 minute, and after that, we will also do. Let's just try the problem in the same manner as we have just done this particular problem. Okay. First, try to write the given data. सबसे पहले given data लिखिए. Let's see what are given data for us. So first is we are given a triangle ABC. Go step by step, in which altitudes BE and CF. So it's the same thing. We have angle BFC is equal to angle CEB, and it is equal to 90 degrees. This is the first thing that is given to us. Then AC and AB are equal. That means the triangle is isosceles. पुराना वाला ही फिगर है, थोड़ा चेंज करके दे रहा है. दोपहर के खाना को गर्म करके परोस रहा है आपको. AC is equal to AB. This means the triangle is isosceles. Agreed? The first thing that we have to prove, अच्छा, whenever they say AC is equal to AB, आप मन में खुश हो जाइए. क्यों? इससे आप बोल सकते हो angle B is equal to angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. This is something that we will be using. ठीक है? Is it clear to you? Okay. So to prove, let's say, what do you have to prove? The first thing, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So mark out the triangles first. ABE, if required, draw the triangles. No harm. We'll draw the triangle. We have got a ABE. So our ABE is somewhat, sorry children, our ABE is something like this. So we have a 90 degree with this. Right, so this is my A, this is my B, and this is my E. So this is 90 degree, and this has to be proved. ABE is congruent to ACF. So again you have A. So can you draw ACF in the same manner? ABE, ACF, and just check, both will be at 90 degree. Acha, further what is given to you? AC equal to AB. So AC is equal to AB. And AC equal to AB means what? Means angle B. Angle B is equal to angle C. Now how do you prove that they are congruent now? Do you see one thing which is common? Angle A is common to both. We need now one side to be equal. AC, this is given to you, right? AB as a side is equal to AC. This is given. हो गया ना? तो लिख सकते हैं अभी हम. How do you write? Consider. Write your statements. Triangles. So consider triangle ABE and triangle ACF. So if you consider these two triangles, you will say angle A should be equal to angle A. This is common.
Angle B to
No, angle E is equal to angle F, each 90, and AB as a side is equal to AC. This is given to you. Agreed? So what are you formulating from here? A, S. So बाकी खत्म करो, अपने statements लिखिए. This triangle should be equal to this triangle, congruent to this triangle under criteria AAS. क्या अनन्या आज क्यों नहीं आई? आज कौन सा पेपर था? आज तो मैथमेटिक्स का क्लास है. अच्छा, तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. बाप रे बाप, म्यूट हो जा बेटी. ऐसा लगा कि एकदम शॉपिंग मॉल में हो. Hey Ritisha, all okay? Stomach pain and all pain gone? हाँ, सबसे कम अटेंडेंस है. 100%. Anvita is also sick. RHS is gone. क्या हुआ? पानी पीना. भैंस का सींग घुस गया क्या? इतनी खांस रही हो. The front bench, no one is there. Unnecessarily, I shifted to the right side. So from here, what do we write? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF under the criteria AAS. Very good. उसके बाद क्या प्रूफ करने बोला है बोलो तो? That is ABC is a right angle triangle. Now AB is equal to AC. But wasn't AB equal to AC given?
Sir, बोला AC equal to AB.
No. We have done a mistake, children. AB equal to AC was not given. You had a problem in reading the English. Altitudes BE and CF to the sides blah blah are equal. The altitudes were equal. BE is equal to CF. So instead of putting this sign, we should just change it. नहीं कोई problem नहीं है ना, बात एक ही है. So our diagram would be now these two were given equal, BE equal to C. बात एक ही है. So just change this one. Otherwise, why will they give to prove you again? B equal to CF. Now this is done. And the second part we have to prove what? AB equal to AC. Now AB will be equal to AC. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles. ठीक है? भाविया मैडम समझ में आया तो? All of you understood? The altitudes were given equal. How could we trace that? Otherwise, what is given equal? Why will they ask you to prove again? तो इंग्लिश को पढ़ना जरूरी है. इंग्लिश गलत पढ़ा आपने. Altitudes so and so to the sides A and B are equal. Are we fine?
Yes, sir.
So how many of us are actually attending the class and how many of us are just writing? मन है तो मुझे तो आधा क्लास लग रहा है सबका मन हॉलीडे मूड में है आज. क्या बोलता है अत्रेया? सब हॉलीडे मूड में है. सामर्थ को देखो. सामर्थ क्या हुआ आज? कौन सा बीमारी है? नाक में बीमारी, पांव में बीमारी, हाथ बीमार, पांव बीमार, क्या है सामर्थ? सामर्थ बेटा, हेलो सामर्थ, तुम इतना हेडफोन लगा के भी नहीं सुन रहे हो? सामर्थ, अच्छा हमारा म्यूट करके यूट्यूब में गाना चल रहा था. हाँ ठीक है. मैं इतना प्यार से बुला रहा हूँ फिर भी नहीं सुन रहे हो. आज क्या है? आज मतलब हाथ दर्द, पांव दर्द, दांत दर्द, कौन सा आज कौन सा दर्द है? हा फीवर. अनन्या फीवर. अन्विता और आर्यश तो नहीं आ रहे हैं, लगता है उनका आज फ्रंट बेंच खाली है. दीप्ति तो गायब है कितने दिनों से, संन्यास में चली गई होगी. Hannah is fever because last class she didn't come. Good. Lot of fever. Okay, next problem. कौन सा? समझ? हाँ वो तो पता है, वो तो टेक्निक मार रहे ना. हाँ सर कोई बात नहीं बेटा, सत्य ऐसे ही निकल जाता है, क्या करोगे है ना. कोई नहीं समझ, आराम से. चलिए ये वाला प्रॉब्लम आप लोग खुद थोड़ा ट्राई कीजिए. तो इसमें एक फिगर है और फिगर मैं अभी आपको दे रहा हूं. ठीक है, इसमें फिगर है और फिगर मैंने आपको दे दिया है. ये है इसका सुंदर सा फिगर. चलिए इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कीजिए. ABC is isosceles. यहाँ सब isosceles की बातें हो रही है. This is the second exercise. हाँ कौन, who is isosceles? ABC is isosceles. इसका मतलब ये एंगल और ये एंगल बराबर होगा और ये साइड बराबर होगा. बहुत अच्छी बात है. लेकिन आपने एक अच्छी चीज देखी, they have also said AC is equal to AD. AC is equal to AD. तो मार्किंग है ना, देखो. इसका मतलब ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी इक्वल होगा. नाउ यू हैव टू शो दैट बीसीडी इज अ राइट एंगल. बीसीडी इज अ राइट एंगल मतलब आपने क्या प्रूव करना है? हाँ, AD equal to AB means all three are equal ना. I am equal to you, you are equal to him, so I am equal to him, all of us are equal. Did you understand why these angles became equal? Now you have to prove that they make up Sam Nam Dand Bhed. You get this angle as 180 degree. So हम लोग कुछ numbers डाल दें यहाँ पे, easy हो जाता है. जगह आपको मैं बताना चाहूँ तो, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Your job is to prove 2 plus 4 is equal to 90 degree. This is what you have to prove, which is very easy. Which is very easy. Can you not say 1 plus 2, right? Can I write this as x? Then this is what? 180 minus x, linear pair. Agreed? क्या हो गया तेगबीर?
सर ये डाउट है सर.
क्या डाउट है?
सर आपने वहाँ पे लिखा है कि 2 + 4 = 90.
हाँ 2 और ये 4 है ना, यही तो प्रूफ करना है ना. एंगल BCD is 90. BCD is what? 2 + 4 ना. डबल चश्मा दो क्या? ठीक है ना, समझ में आया तो. So 1 + 2 plus x should be equal to 180 degree. Do you agree or not? But 1 and 2 are, I can write 2 times of angle 2 plus x is equal to 180 degree because 1 is equal to 2. Is this step understood? नहीं, अत्र समझ में नहीं आया, जबरदस्ती यस बोल रहा है. पहले देखो ना ट्राइंगल को, इस अगर 1 है और ये 2 है, just forget everything, just look at this. तुम लोग यार ना बड़े थोड़ा तो अटेंशन देना 1 घंटे के लिए. Is the numbering okay with you? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and if this is x, this is 180 minus x, linear pair. अरे भाई हाँ या ना तो बोलो, I am waiting for you only. हाँ. So if you now consider triangle ABC, I am doing it as in a rough manner. Can I not write 1 plus 2 plus x is equal to 180 degree? लिख सकता हूं ना. बहुत अच्छी बात है. 1 और 2 तो खुद में इक्वल है, तो क्या मैं 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 2 प्लस x इक्वल टू 180 लिख सकता हूं? अल्टीमेटली मुझे 2 और 4 के टर्म्स में लाना है ना प्रॉब्लम को. अब जरा आप देखिए ट्राइंगल ACD, यहां क्या क्या लिख सकते हैं देखो तो. 4 plus 3 plus 180 minus x is equal to 180 degree. यहां से 180 काट सकता है ना. श्योर? तो यहां से 4 और 3 को हम 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 4 नहीं लिख सकते. 4 and 3 are same, is equal to x लिख सकते हैं ना. श्योर? अब x के जगह पे ये चीज यहां पे डाल दो. 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 2, x का वैल्यू क्या है? 2 टाइम्स ऑफ 4 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. 2 और 180 बन जाएगा कितना? 90. तो आ गया ना ससुरा, 2 + 4 इक्वल टू 90. अब आप इसको सुंदर से लिख के बना सकते हैं. मैं इसको रख दिया. दिस इज माई स्क्रिबल वर्क. Bhavya, did you understand? Now can you do the fair of this problem? Aditi, did you understand? Now can you do the fair of this? You just write down first, given the triangle, and you want to put 1 2 3 4, you want to name the triangles, you name it. मुझे लगता है नेम करने से इजी होता है, क्योंकि ABC BEC ये सब में कभी घपला हो जाता है. तो आप नेम कर लीजिए, नेम करके. So what did we do, children? We first looked at triangle ABC where 1 is equal to 2, and we named the vertex angle as x. So the vertex angle of the other triangle will be how much? 180 minus x, because this is a linear pair. This one is a straight line and this one is a line cutting it, na? So this is a linear pair, as simple as that. Are we fine? So now you try to write it nicely. Consider triangle ABC When you're writing 180, you should write angle sum property. And what you have to prove, सुंदर से लिखो. वो भी लिख दूं क्या? मैंने बोलो, शर्माओ मत यार. मरे आदमी के बाल काटने से उसका जनाजा हल्का थोड़ी होता है. मैं लिख सकता हूँ. If you sniff the hair of a corpse, the corpse doesn't become halka. You have to anyway carry him. I can write. लिख दो. नहीं, मन में शंका लेके तुम लोग का मुंह कैसा बैंगन जैसा बन गया है. Don't worry, from next year onwards, grade 9 is an open book exam in CBSE. You may be the last one who is giving with the closed book. And after, I think the year after that, they might say, give you the URL of some video game sites. Please play the game. And on result day, please pay the fee and collect your certificate. Yeah, from next year, CBSE grade 9 is proposed to be an open book exam. नहीं, एग्जाम नहीं. There is a movie in the school. Kindly send your children today. ऐसा हो जाएगा बाद में. लेकिन मैं सोच रहा हूँ मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए. फिर एग्जाम ऑप्शनल होगा, फिर तो कोई पढ़ने नहीं आएगा ना. मेरे घर में रोटी कहाँ से आएगा? मेरे को भी कुछ और ढूंढना पड़ेगा. It's a threat for me, right? So consider, आप अपनी तरह करो. ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle ACD, both of which are isosceles. Consider name of angles as depicted. So I'm naming this as angle 1. I'm naming this as angle 2. I'm naming this as angle 3. I'm naming this as angle 4. I'm naming this as X. And this is 180 minus X. Right? 2+3 we should prove ना, यहाँ पे थोड़ा गलती हो गया. We should have written 2+3, 2 in terms of 3, 2 into 2 and 2 times of 3, 2 plus 3. Are we fine? कहानी ऐसे लिखो कि किसी को पेन लगाने का जगह ही नहीं मिले. Don't show laziness that, oh, that teacher will understand. If I am the teacher, I'll never understand. My understanding goes drastically low when I get options to deduct marks. Vampire बन जाता हूं मैं उस वक्त. Slurp, slurp. मजा आया. और भाई साहब हुआ कि नहीं? All of you. अच्छा, अनन्या झुक के लिख रही थी, मैं वही सोचा बीच में तुम गायब कहां से हो गए. Next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करने की कोशिश करते हैं. चलिए, आप तो घर में रहने से नहीं करोगे तो मुझे ही करवाना पड़ता है आपको बच्चे की तरह. इश भाव्या, तुम्हारा पूरा ना. और पियो फ्रिज का पानी, आइसक्रीम, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, गंदी चीजें खाते हो और अभी पानी पी रहे हो. घर में जाके गार्गल करना शुरू करो. फॉर यू इट इज जस्ट, I can understand that it is waiting for you. ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स एक बार में फेयर मत कीजिए, पहले इनको थोड़ा सा स्क्रिबल मोड में करने की कोशिश कीजिए, नहीं तो लोग समझेंगे चेहरा ही नहीं दिखाया ना आज इनको. पहले समझो ट्राइंगल एबीसी. क्या आपको एबीसी दिख रहा है? बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल. And triangle DBC, they are isosceles triangle on the same base. इसका मतलब these two bhujas and these two bhujas are equal, and similarly बड़ा angle equal to बड़ा angle, छुटका angle equal to छुटका angle. Have you understood? अच्छा, आगे और क्या बोला है? Same vertices, and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. A and D are on the same side of BC. बड़ी अच्छी बात है. AD is extended to intersect at P. They have not said it is perpendicular. AD को extend करके P तक ले आया है. First show that ABD, ABD is congruent to what? ACD. ABD is congruent to ACD. Very easy. कैसे करोगे? एक तो हमें पता है this angle is equal to this angle. इतना हमें पता है. और क्या है? ये साइड इज इक्वल टू ये साइड, ये भी पता है. और ये साइड भी इक्वल टू ये साइड है. तो सास बहू वाला हो गया ना, SAS. वो तो मुझे भी पता है, बोलने के बाद फिर नया क्या चीज बोल रहे हो. साइड एंगल साइड से दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद क्या प्रूफ करना है? इतना मैं बोल दिया, बाकी आप करो भी. ABP मतलब ABP, ये वाला ट्राइंगल इक्वल टू ये. जब आपने इन दोनों को कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूफ कर ही दिया तो फिर ये एंगल और ये एंगल भी इक्वल हो गया है. और हिंट नहीं दूंगा, बाकी आप करो. See, if you are trying to do this chapter only here after 7 days, then this will definitely be Hebrew and Latin to you, which I can make out from your faces. Because for the last 7 days, triangle, वो क्या होता है? Where are triangles found? They are grown in our arid zone climate, and with proper fertilization, they will. He's not drawing a single figure. He's not drawn a single figure. No, turn the pages. No, before that, where are the figures? This is today's class. Then next problem. Then the next problem's figure missing. Was it not displayed on the board? So when you try to go back and read this, how do you understand? Isn't you have written some AB equal to PB, some things you have written. Aren't they like looking at a herd of cows? Can you identify the difference between two cows when a herd of cows are going to graze in the field? Do you know that is Mohan cow, Ram cow, Shyam cow, Rahim cow? They have names or what? No. So how do you do a geometry paper without drawing the figure? And it has been displayed for quite some time. Within this time also, if you are unable to draw, an Instagram reel is for only 15 seconds, you are able to pick up the handle or the ID. But when sir displays a figure for 3 minutes, you are not able to draw the diagram. So this directly tells me that thank you for attending the club today. Club membership fee, na? This is club. How can you learn? I don't think you are learning anything in this step. How are you learning? No figure, nothing. You are just writing AB equal to. If you go back home, what will you do? Will you even look at that page? And if you look at that page, how will you correlate? What video? I will not give you a video. You should not be privileged to get a video from me. In my offer letter to parents, it is nowhere mentioned that video recordings will be provided. Go and check it. I have never mentioned. Video recording will be provided does not mean that you do fun here and you will see the video. Even this is getting recorded, what you told me. And this clip will be less than 64 MB, which goes on WhatsApp very easily to your parents also. The child is on the impression that video will be provided. तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ. अगले episode में देख लूँगा. No, I mean, algebra you can do, but how can you do what you wrote out there? How does that make sense to you? You saw last class video?
Mm-hmm.
Then what is the guarantee you will see this video? To draw this. Let me tell you, last class video I did not upload only. इसका हाल बहुत खराब है. बड़े मियाँ को जानते हो? हाँ. बड़े मियाँ कुछ इतने बड़े आदमी हैं. चुप. बड़े मियाँ एक मुर्गे का नाम है. सर दूसरा हाथ तो लगाया ही नहीं ना. कुछ कितने बड़े हैं बड़े मियाँ. इसका हाल वो है. ये लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा, इसको पता ही नहीं. लास्ट वीडियो तो I did not upload also. I don't know. I mean, what fun you are doing in the class. This is fun, according to me. You're not attending. What are the congruence criteria we have? RHS is the last one we studied. ASA? Okay. Okay. Very good. Angle side. Angle side is a corollary. And what happens when a line intersects two parallel lines? Like this is cleaning the dosa pan. Now we will put dosa. Let snakes go away and answer my question. What happens when a line intersects two parallel lines? Actually, with you, I have learned many things. With you, I have learned how to control anger, how to relieve stress from the body. Earlier, if somebody used to behave like this, the way you are behaving, I used to just blast up or bloat up like anything. My top valve used to go off. Now I don't. I don't get angry at all. Did I get the club membership fee from your parents? Oh yes, I received it. I get two types of payments. Now I get educational fees and club membership fees. From you, I get club membership fee. And I've got it. Have I been dedicated in my job? Yes, I have been. There are plenty of proofs to show that I do every problem, I write everything. I've been. So in the court of law, you can't prove me wrong. Did you learn? Continue, sir. I'm just every day giving you a measure where you are. Because that is the most easiest thing is to blame teacher. What he did, we don't know. He took all fee, did not teach at all. First of all, you stop using two pens. Your pace of drawing a diagram is dead slow. The guy or the lady who writes happy birthday on cakes in Karachi bakery writes faster than you and packs the cake. You can't even visualize this in one stroke. Have you seen it? Take your eyes away. What was the diagram? Can you not draw it? Huh.
Is that what is A, B are on same side, B
A and D are on the same side of BC. ये BC है ना बेटा? BC का एक top side है, एक bottom side है. Actually, with this problem, the diagram should not have been given to you. This thing does not make any sense when the diagram is given. If the diagram was not given, these lines help you construct the diagram. ये D तो बेटा नीचे साइड भी हो सकता है ना, इसको ऐसा ट्रक करके नीचे उतार दो. आपको कैसे पता वो ऊपर के साइड ही है? You should ask these questions. That is because A and D are on the same side. मतलब ये ऐसे है. One hairband, another hairband you wear sometimes when you were a kiddo. Do you put it light below like this, like a mask? No. Both the hairbands are on the same side of the nose. Tiara, tiara. Understood? Very good. Is this done? Or anyone needs help from me? क्या अत्रेया कलम चबाया जा रहा है? रस मिला उसमें से? सोचना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सोचना तो ये 1 घंटा सोचते हो ना, बाकी 7 दिन का 8 घंटा में तो कुछ नहीं सोचते हो. ट्रायंगल किया था पिछले 1 हफ्ते में, हुआ तो फिर छोड़ दो. उसमें अगर तुम इतना कर रहे हो, then you are great. In 8 days without doing, you are solving problems means you have talent. ये भी सोच रहा है ये मैं भी क्या क्लब मेंबरशिप फी कैटेगरी में आ गया. हाँ, सैटरडे प्रैक्टिस किया था, उसके बाद क्या हो गया? हाथ में दर्द हो गया बेटा, पेन का इंक खत्म हो गया, रिफिल नहीं मिला, सैटरडे के बाद खाना नहीं खाए थे, खाया था ना, वॉशरूम गए थे ना, सब किया, तो इसके साथ नाइंसाफी क्यों किया? और आप सोचते हो कि ये माता सरस्वती आपके अंदर बैठ जाएगी क्या वीणा लेके? अभी वैसे भी हॉलीडे मूड चल रहा है पिछले 2 दिन से, लॉन्ग वीकेंड, यू नो. कर दूं क्या?
Yes.
चलाएं? फर्स्ट वाला हुआ कि नहीं? हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट सेकंड वाले में क्या करना है? ट्रायंगल्स आपने आइडेंटिफाई किए सेकंड वाले के. कौन कौन से ट्रायंगल्स हैं आपके पास? ए बी पी, ए बी और पी और ए सी पी. ठीक है. अब आप देखो इन ट्रायंगल्स में ये 2 एंगल इक्वल है कि नहीं, और ये वाला एंगल भी इक्वल है ना इसके साथ. CPCT ऑफ द फर्स्ट फाइंडिंग. एंड देन डोंट यू थिंक दैट दिस साइड इज कॉमन? सो इज इट नॉट दैट दोस 2 ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट? क्या बेटा समझ में आया?
इसमें ए बी इक्वल टू AC हो.
हाँ, ए बी इक्वल टू AC दिया है क्या तुम्हें? R2, हाँ, ए बी इक्वल टू AC भी बोल सकते हो, तुम्हारी मर्जी. हम लोग एसेस भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, दिस इज कॉमन. सांस से भी कर सकते, सांस से करो, बहू से करो, पर करो. और खाली हाथ ऐसे से मत हिलाते रहो जंजीब की तरह.
तो मैंने ए ऐसे किया.
कोई भी कर. हुआ कि नहीं? अब तीसरा वाला हुआ. AP bisects angle A as well as angle D. Okay. Have you found out, children, since the triangles have been found congruent? Look at me. We have already proved this angle is equal to this angle by the first triangle congruence. Agreed?
Yes.
By the first triangle's congruence, can we not say that this angle is also equal to this angle? If that be the case, these two should also be equal because they are linear pair, linear pair.
Yes.
And since it is said that A, D all lie on the same side, so ADP is a straight line. So ADP bisects angle A as well as angle D. You have to write some English, which you're very good at. Not like me, you're not so desi like me. So give your necessary arguments for that. So it's done. And AP is the perpendicular bisector. Now you have to prove AP is the perpendicular bisector.
So angle B.
Perpendicular bisector means, are you understanding? You have to prove that this is equal to this, which is obviously you have already done by the second congruence. And you have to prove that this angle is equal to this. But the addition of both the angles should be 180 because it's a straight line. If this is x, this is x. X plus x is equal to 180. 2x equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 2, which is 2 9s are 18, 2 zeros are 0. Therefore, x is equal to 90. It proves that this is the perpendicular bisector. Still, if somebody has a problem, you can let me know. First, solve a problem on a scribble pad. Then try to solve the problem in fair. पहले अपना केस रेडी करो, उसके बाद पुलिस का चार्जशीट बनाओ. ये कोर्ट के तरह है. चार्जशीट पता है तो क्या? अच्छा, सिनेमा नहीं देखते हो? अच्छा, charges. हाँ, once the FIR is done, after that it goes to case, then a charge sheet has to be filed. Charge sheet is filed by the police, based on which the trial will now happen. कुछ नहीं पता. सिविक्स हम पढ़ते हैं, खूब अच्छे से पढ़ो पढ़ो पढ़ो, खूब पढ़ो. हो जाएगा ये. एक प्रॉब्लम आगे चले, बता तो दिया, एक और आगे चलते हैं. चलिए ये वाले प्रॉब्लम को, इसका डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो तो बच्चा, इसका डायग्राम ड्रॉ करो. BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABSA. Using RHS rule, prove that the triangle ABSA is isosceles. अब आपको बोल दिया है कि prove that it is isosceles. Therefore, when you are drawing the diagram, don't be an idiot. Draw the diagram considering that it is isosceles. Have you understood? So let's draw the diagram considering that it is isosceles. Oh, sorry. So let's draw an isosceles triangle straight away. And name this. What is the name? ABSA. ABSA. After that, they say BE and CF are two equal altitudes. Two equal altitudes hai. Altitudes hai, bhai sahab. Altitude. Altitudes. So what are the names of them? BE, CF. And since they are altitudes, so they should be making some 90-degree pattern out here. Very good. Are two equal altitudes. So if they are equal, children, you should also show that these are equal. BE and CF are equal. Now you have to prove that triangle ABC is isosceles. How do you prove that a triangle is isosceles? There are two options. Either you prove angle B is equal to angle C, or you prove ABA equal to ASA. I think this is easy for you. So basically we have to get into some congruence. When you get into congruence, then only you can prove that this side equal to this side. So which are the two triangles for whom you will fight with congruence? Obviously they have said using RHS. So if you are using RHS, then I think if I am at your place, I will be using this particular triangle. But you can't solve with this. RHS kaise hoga? The hypotenuse is unknown to you. You can't solve with this. So which triangle should you consider? RHS means either of the right angle triangle you have to take. So it's better you go by these triangles. In this, can we prove RHS? Yes, why not? See, Such beautiful things are happening. 90 degree equal to 90 degree. The hypotenuse is a common hypotenuse for both the triangles. Bhavya madam, can you find the other triangle? The other triangle is this. Both have a common hypotenuse. Agreed? And both of them have equal side because this side is equal to this side. So our triangle should be written in this manner. How should we write the triangle? BFC. So that it's a right angle triangle. The right angle should always come in middle. BFC and this versus which triangle? CEB. CEB. Agreed? So RHS. First you get the R. Angle angle F equal to angle E. So this will clarify your R. Then you need the hypotenuse. BC equal to CB. Common. So this is your H. And then you need to get your S. What's your S?
B equal to CF.
BF.
B equal to CF.
हाँ, तो मैंने क्या लिखा? Triangle B, यहाँ पे गलती किया है ना? BE and this is CF. Sorry बच्चा. Sorry, there was a bit of mistake out here. Okay, so this is angle E equal to angle F. Then BC equal to this. And then we'll write BE is equal to CF. This is given. आज रात तुम्हारा खक्कू खक्कू में ही जाएगा. कल रात भी गया. च्यवनप्राश खाओ, तुलसी के पत्ते मुंह में लेके चबाओ. What's that? I don't like tulsi pattas. I like only what? Lettuce and oregano. I don't like all this tulsi pattas. What is tulsi? Basil. Yeah, basil. तो ये RHS कर लेना बेटा. ये दोनों ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट आ जाएंगे. पर इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट करके तुम क्या प्रूफ करोगे? इसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट करने से आप प्रूफ करोगे एंगल B इक्वल टू एंगल C. यानी कि by this criteria you can then prove that the two triangles are not two. The entire ABC triangle is isosceles. You have to prove ABC is isosceles ना. अरे सवालवा देखो भाई क्या लिखा है. हाँ, हमरे मुंह में देखने से थोड़ी सवाल आ जाएगा. ABC is isosceles. That means angle B should be equal to angle C. भाविया, आज रात ये करके सो देखना, आराम आएगा. कटोरा ले, अगर उसमें च्यवनप्राश डाल से, डाबर वाला च्यवनप्राश मत खा, उसमें सब शुगर भरा है. एक झंडू का केसरी जीवन आता है, वो भी च्यवनप्राश जैसा ही है. इट्स मोर कॉस्टली. उसको डालो 1 चम्मच और उसमें डालो हनी. अब टेस्ट मत पूछो, ये खाने दवाई है, दवाई पे कोई टेस्ट नहीं, ये बर्गर नहीं है. दोनों को मिक्स करो और खाओ. हाँ, और गर्म पानी से गार्गलिंग करते रहो. समझ में आया? नहीं तो तुम्हारा ये बढ़ेगा. लेकिन पहले ही बोल दिया, केसरी जीवन हो गया या च्यवनप्राश, और उसके साथ or else you will be put into those cough syrups. जैसे पियोगे then you will feel sleepy, then you will deteriorate further, then you will be put into antibiotics like amoxicillin. फिर पेट खराब होगा, फिर और डिटोरिएट होगे. उससे अच्छा है stitch in time saves 9. But we don't like it, sir. That's so weird in taste, you know. दवाई है भाई, दवाई के साथ कोई ये नहीं है. ठीक है, ये समझ में आया? आगे बढ़े. हाँ, try to get the crux of the problem, whether you have got the crux or not. That is more important. What is an isosceles triangle, Samad? What is a cow? What is an isosceles triangle? You can speak, right? You lost your voice? Okay. Vocal cords are working? Yeah. Can you speak and tell me what's an isosceles triangle? Oh. Any more fillers you want? Oh, really? Oh. There's you can follow Telugu. Your mother tongue is Telugu. Can you follow Telugu? Means if somebody speaks Telugu, to some extent, can you follow? Just I'm asking. Then go to YouTube and type one video, final year engineering video in Telugu. If there is time, I can show you. Final year engineering video, engineering Viva video in Telugu. And any children can understand. You can be of any mother, your mother tongue can be anything. There are very nice questions. Define a capacitor. Sir, a capacitor is he makes the professor says don't call snakes, just define what is a capacitor. Then next time he says, okay, what is an induction motor? Induction motor, hey babu, dosa nahi, don't make jalebi and dosa. Define what is an induction. Today Ritisha has also laughed and she could not control. That was a nice moment, Ritisha. I really enjoyed. So what is a dosa? Now she's thinking, she has laughed, so she has to pay some taxes. Is there anybody who collects money in your apartment when you laugh? Or is there some person standing with a whip in his hand? मारो दो कोड़े हंसने से ही हंसी थी अभी जोर जोर से हंसी हंस के फिर शी इज डूइंग पश्चाताप ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन तुम लोग यार मजेदार लोग हो यार आई मिस यू ऑल ऑन मंडे नाइट ठीक है ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. So now you know what is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle where something is equal to something. Yeah.
I'm not able to form the proper definition.
You can speak in English? No, can you speak in English? Because no, or were you in some other country like French is okay with you? I can use Google Translator. I don't mind. I mean, because you are unable to explain in Telugu, you are unable to explain in Hindi. Then you are now saying that I am unable to form the sentence. So what do? We go to some islands, Solomon Islands, where isosceles triangle. Like that we speak. How in Russia? Czechoslovakia? Good. He's my very good. He's my in MBA. When you learn marketing, there is a segment, you know, and that is known as cash cows. He's my cash cow. कामधेनु ये रोज दूध देता है घी देता है वो बहुत अच्छा है ऐसे बच्चे मुझे 3-4 बैच में और चाहिए इसको बोलते हैं कैश काउस आइए AB is equal to AC. Draw AP perpendicular to BC. What is perpendicular, Samarth? What do you mean by the word perpendicular? नहीं तुम सामर्थ नहीं ये सामर्थ ये वाला सामर्थ offline samarth. Yeah, you can turn your face to me. What is perpendicular?
So you have to put it from A, then you take it down.
Yeah, you take it down and do what? You put it right, buried under the earth, yeah? And make a cross like Jesus Christ standing in loving memory of triangle chapters. Something like this, right? That's perpendicular. I make a little bit wrong, it looks like in memory of Christ. Good. I get it. Good. If you have to eat cookies at home, what do you tell your mommy? Mama, round, round, crispy, crispy, round, round, box, box, crumble, crumble, hard, crumble, crumble. Choke, 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 choke. Water you can't say because you don't know neer, to you don't know munche, you don't know water, pani. Choke, 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 choke. Mama will think boy has learned a new rap. Choke, 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 choke. By that time, लड़का का गला अटक गया. भाई मजेदार आदमी हो. Show that angle B equal to angle C. चलो ये last problem है. Angle B equal to angle C. RHS use करेंगे. This is perpendicular, so this is 90 degree. Between the two triangles T1 and T2, let's use RHS. Can we use RHS? So this is our R, this is our R, this is our H, this is our H, and S will be this one, which is common. So with RHS, we find out that the triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, Ba is equal to Sa. Agreed? Makes sense, yeah? I like that. This was the last problem you could have done, or you can take it. This is your NCRT problem itself, much more easy. You have to just prove that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle PQM. ABM is congruent to PQM. ये तो देख देख के हो रहा है. ये SSS से हो जाएगा सर पर. SSS, ABM and PQN, SSS, and ABC and PQR, ABC and PQR. So if they are congruent, this angle is equal to this angle,
Good one.
and then it is written median also. PQ and QR are median. So if this is equal to this and this is equal to this, then these two are also equal,
And see the one.
and this side is common. And angle C, angle M भी ले सकते हैं, angle A भी ले सकते हैं. This angle is equal to this angle, and you are adding. समझ में आया? So with this we conclude triangles. From our next class we will be starting revision. So the next Friday, please come with your first chapter, totally nicely done. We will have problems. It will be a paper to you on first chapter. First chapter, the more type of questions you will get upfront. I'm saying you will get more of rationalize the denominator, P by Q format, then recurring decimal P by Q here said, and then A plus IB is equal to so and so. Find the value of A and find the value of B. So those type of problems come more in examinations. Right. And our next class is on Sunday at 3 o'clock. Online children doesn't matter.